Hello, everyone, and welcome to How Not to Do Art. I've only done a handful of art videos, and I feel like every single one of them has displayed a really bad art habit or some sort of terrible practice that I shouldn't be doing. In this one, obviously, it's having two drawings at once. I do this quite a lot, more and more recently. Um, yeah, I just work on more than one thing at a time. And I guess that's kind of normal, but it's not a good habit. But the thing is, right, if I'm only working on one piece and I get annoyed with it or bored of it, I don't want to break my concentration because you know how when you're drawing something and you get really in the zone for drawing, and if you break that concentration, it's really hard to get it back. But if you suddenly hate what you're working on, you need to take a break from it and walk away, maybe, and think about something else for a while and then come back to it. So the way to do both, I've found, is just to have two drawings side by side so that when I get frustrated with one of them and decide that I don't like it anymore, I can take a break by drawing the other one. And that way I'm still drawing, so I'm not breaking my concentration, but I'm still taking a break from the piece that I don't like anymore. Does that make sense? I hope it does. It works for me, even though it's probably not really a good habit. But yeah, that is what it is. Do you do this? Let me know if you also tend to have several things going at once just to keep your concentration. This video was actually filmed in December last year. I didn't upload it at the time because immediately after I'd finished these two pieces, I decided I hated them and I didn't want anyone to see them, and I was going to start again and draw both of them all over again. But I kind of feel that way about most of the things I do. So I left it for a few days and decided that they weren't that bad after all, and I did like them. And I posted the two pieces up on Facebook, I think. I don't know if they're up on my Pixiv profile yet. I don't remember if I did that. But basically I decided I didn't hate them after all. And by the time I kind of got there, I forgot that I'd filmed it. So this footage has just been sitting there waiting for me to do something with it. And now is the time, I guess. It's as good a time as any because I've decided I quite like these drawings after all. And I get to show you me using the gold ink, which I really like that ink. It's so much fun to play with and paint with. And it's really, really shiny. There's really no way of capturing it on camera, but in real life, it's really, really shiny, which is fun. The two drawings that I'm working on here are both based on friends of mine. I just find that people and things you actually know and are familiar with make the best references. I'm sure there's some sort of scientific reason behind that, but I don't know what it is. I just know that they make the best subjects to me. Okay, I think that's all I have to say, so it's time for me to be quiet and leave you with some music. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos almost every weekend. Bye!